do some notes. It's gonna be a good time. Angle this though. All right, we've got 6n minus 3 over 2n minus 2 minus n plus 2 over 2n minus 2. Miss Rice, are we ever going to do addition? It seems like we're only doing subtraction. Well, we could do addition, but you guys are so good at adding things that I'm not really worried about addition. I am, however, worried about students distributing the negative correctly, because that's what we seem to like making mistakes on. If you do not distribute the negative, you kill a baby fox, in case you were wondering. So, I feel like you would like to do that. Yes, Court. You can. Did you call me a slow pass? Oh, yeah. We can turn off the outside.
Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. The outside's amazing. Court, suck it up, man. Yeah. Suck it up, Buttercup. Yeah, pay attention to the front, not outside.
Well. I'm trying to make that minus sign show up, and all that's happening is it's getting shinier. I don't know. It's like the glare's hitting it just right. Shiny minus sign. All right. So what do we do? What do we do? We distribute that negative. We are not trying to kill any little cute foxes today. No, it was just pencil. I just caught the light just so. So what do we have on the top when we combine like terms? What is that? 5n minus 5. And now it turns into one of the problems from the very first day. So can we factor? Yes. What type of factoring? GCF. So what's the GCF on the top? 5. What's the GCF on the bottom? So when you take the 5 out on the top, what do you have left over? When you take out the 2 on the bottom, what do you have left over? Oh, and then what happens? The n minus 1 cancels, and your end result is 5 over 2. The n minus 1 and the n minus 1 make a 1. That was right. And your end result is 5 over 2. Well, that was fun. Wasn't that fun? Hold on, I need some more peanut butter before I take this bite of apple. Would you guys say we're 6 feet apart? Are we 6 feet apart? I just want to make sure if the COVID police come in that we're good. Dr. Davis probably. And can you demonstrate for me? That was a very weak run. Do not do anything athletic oriented. Okay, Vaughn, it's your turn to demonstrate running to the back of the classroom. Your leg doesn't look broken. He said in this voice, It's excruciating. Okay. You have to leave for soccer when? Okay. All right. Don't worry, guys. I'm done exposing you to COVID. All right. Next example. I wasn't joking. All right. 3r plus 13 divided by 6r squared plus 30r minus, now see that minus isn't shiny. What's the dealie? R plus 3, okay, let's try it, let's make it shiny. Come on!
Move it up to the other one. Dude, that other one just like stays bright. You did something and it was shiny.
Okay, r plus 3 over 6r squared plus 30r. We will. That is not tomorrow because tomorrow's Saturday. That's going to be Monday. All right. What do we need to do? Distribute the negative. What do we get? Think you had a typo? It's okay. Happens. All right. Then what do we do? Okay, 2 on the top. And when we take out the 2 on the top, what does that leave behind? R plus 5. And what do we factor out on the bottom? 6r, and what does that leave behind? Okay. And so what do we see that cancels? Okay, but what else? The 6 and the 2 can reduce it to be 1 over 3. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 6 3 times. Yeah, I didn't touch the r, I left it there.
When you said it, you just like...
The 2 and the 6 reduce, the r just stays. Yeah. So my answer is 1 over 3r. Is that better? Did I mention the r this time? Okay. I didn't mean to confuse you. That was my bad. My bad. Ooh, some sass. Okay, one more example, and I think we'll be ready for today's assignment. All right. We've got n plus 3 over 3n squared plus 10n plus 8. Oh no, what does that look like? What does that look like on the bottom? A trinomial. Are you ladies ready? Are you ladies ready? Uh-huh. All right, minus negative 2n minus 3 over 3n squared plus 10n plus 8. 10n. Court, I moved you closer, but maybe not close enough.
I just need to be in the middle because the glares are really bad.
What other glare do we need to take care of?
There's like a lens at the bottom of the thing where it's not close all the way, and then the lamp.
Okay, which lamp?
Actually,
That one right there.
Let's just click if we need.
Okay, well tell us what to do. So close the rest of the way, and then which lamp? Okay, and then Hannah, can you turn this light up for us? The other one. That one. Crazy.
On or off?
Better?
I just also have, I'm
Yes, there you
also
go. Now you're making
nearsighted, so
Okay.
I can't wear glasses because I can't wear masks.
Ooh, is that the better way?
Yes.
There. Okay, so you are saying we just need complete mood lighting.
This is perfect. This is perfect.
Marvelous.
That might be too much.
All right. Ooh, but look at the minus sign. It got very shiny.
Or have you
It's a
missed this
vampire.
after 10 minutes?
What?
I can't hear either. I'm blind.
Did you say you couldn't hear because you're blind? All right. So, what should we do? Distribute the negative.
We get n plus 3.
Okay. So we keep the n plus 3, and then plus 2n plus another 3.
All over 3n squared plus 10n plus 8, and then, don't be surprised, then you bring in the other one, 3n squared plus 10n plus 8, and then you simplify the left side, and then you get 3n, and then you get plus 6.
Would you want to do that?
Yesterday, no tutor.
That is awesome. So proud of you. Genuinely, that was not being sarcastic.
Thank you. You want to give me a cookie and a foot rub too?
Thank you.
Should we leave or?
Like the
It's already dark.
really? Hey, look.
Yep.
Hey, I know math too.
Huh?
Emma said I can give you a different figure. Yeah. Yeah. Evidently she keeps in her classroom. Oh, Miss Shader.
All right. So here's where we're at. What do we need to do? Okay, so I heard greatest common slide divide. So greatest common slide divide is actually right. Yeah. Greatest common for the top, slide divide for the bottom. Okay, so let's take out the greatest common factor for the top, and what do we get? Okay. Okay, and then we need to do slide divide for the bottom. So when we do the slide divide for the bottom, we get 3 times 8 is, and then, so we're multiplying to 24, adding to 10, 6 and 4. Okay, so 6 and 4, and then what do we do with the 6 and 4? Divide by 3, because that's what we slid by.
You get 6x, or I mean n plus 2, and then you get 3n plus 4.
Okay, so the 6 over 3 reduces to a 2. The 4 over 3 does not reduce, and so we had to do a bottoms up for that one. Okay, so we did GCF for the top part, we did slide divide for the bottom part. Now that we've done all the factoring, what can we see? N plus 2 and n plus 2 cancel because they're the exact same. All right, so we get 3 over 3n plus 4. Should we try to reduce the 3's? No, because that would kill a puppy. We don't want to kill any puppies. We want to keep our puppies alive. And so we are done. You cannot. Because of the plus on the bottom. The bottom is an addition problem, and so it does not reduce with division, which is what you would be doing. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hand out the assignment.